All right, so we are in the inspection phase of this fabulous house out in Leander, and you can see this is like one of my most favorite things to do. I know it's crazy, but I'm like totally freakish about all of the little details as we go through a house. And so what I like to do is show up for an inspection when the inspector will allow it, and they have their process. And ultimately, part of what I'm here to do is help my clients make sure all the details are just so. And what happens now, because this is a new build, you can hear the echo, we will have a list ready for the builders tomorrow morning. We've got our inspector Mike in, and Mike is going through every ounce of the house, the water heater, the electrical, the exterior, anything that has been disconnected that needs to be reconnected, caulking, you name it. And Mike is here to catch everything that might be not exactly 100% and then allow for us to ensure that everything is completed according to plan. And we will close on time. So this is all just coming together very nicely. I'm walking outside. Our builder was kind enough to actually come by today, which is greatly appreciated. So great job, Perry Homes, to have the builder actually come by and take time out of his day on a project when he's working on multiple projects and ensure that he's getting some of the things firsthand. And he had a bunch of the trades coming in today. You know how guys are scheduled for 1 hour and then they show up 6 hours later. So today we've managed to be out here, and we have several trades that are here, which is great. These guys are really doing a fantastic job ensuring that all the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed. So I'm super thrilled for these clients who've been building a house for 8 months now. And I'll tell you something, if you were to start building a home today with a new home builder, you're gonna really wanna figure out a few things. First of all, you're gonna wanna figure out what your timeline is, and then I would say add months and months and months to it. We are seeing such a delay in supplies, and our demand is so high in the Austin, Texas area that we cannot keep up. The builders would build more quickly if they could. And again, if you were to start that process now, give me a shout, because it is not as easy as it once was. It's not as easy as it's been even for the last 12 months. And I would have to work really diligently with you to ensure that we can meet your needs. It is a fabulous time to be moving to Austin, Texas, and there are a number of home builders that are reputable and that will do their best to deliver a house of quality on time. And we're just seeing some changes, and more builders are walking away from the ability to do anything custom and building a more speculative home. Meaning that they're choosing the lot, they're choosing the plan, they're choosing the finishes, and then they are able to gather the materials so that when it's time to get the house prepared, they have what they need, versus having a client go to a design center, picking out things that are more in line with what they want, and then finding out that something maybe doesn't exist. And that's anything from tiles to appliances to stone color, you name it. So I'm really happy to bring it all back home and land my plane. This is a fabulous house being built out in Leander, and my clients have been working on it for many, many months, and I am thrilled for them. And I'm going to now go check out what else is happening with the inspector so that we can, like I said, dot our I's, cross our T's, and get this home delivered to this fabulous family who have been really working hard in conjunction with the builder to deliver the best possible house. This is Jennifer Goodman, living in Austin, Texas. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next time.